Hi, it's Caro from the Energy Experts. This is my house, and today my SolarEdge Energy Hub Inverter is being installed. The reason I chose this particular inverter is because I'm all about future-proofing. We bought this house about a month ago. The solar panels have been installed for a while, but the inverter has been on hold because it hasn't arrived in the country. It's here, which is really exciting. I chose this inverter because this is our long-term house. We wanted an option that would allow us to future-proof. And for us, that means being able to see the performance of each and every panel. So we can see if ever there's a fault, we can find out right away. But also, we'd really like to get a little run-around electric vehicle in the next couple of years. With an Energy Hub inverter, you can easily tack on an EV charger. It's really easy to add battery storage with blackout protection, which I think is probably going to become more and more important as time goes on. And it's got smart home integration. So if we want to add any sort of smart appliances, we can run it directly off that inverter. It can kick in when the solar panels are operational, and when there's a cloud that comes over in front of the sun, that particular appliance ramps down in its performance. So you're getting full system usage. You're getting the most out of your system. So I'm excited. The team's nearly finished. The system will be operational. The next week is looking very sunny, and we're really looking forward to seeing the ongoing performance of our LG SolarEdge system.